You'll love coming home to East Bay Apartment Homes in Daphne. Our Delta floor plan features 500 square feet of living space with a Murphy bed. The kitchen has modern, energy-efficient appliances. This floor plan features one bathroom with a large dressing area with a closet, as well as a private balcony or patio. You'll love our wonderful amenities, including a boardwalk pier on Mobile Bay, an Olympic-sized saltwater pool, a pet park, a pavilion and grill area, a 24-hour fitness center, and much, much more. Call or text 251-626-0234 to schedule your tour today.